next concept, that is some important compounds of boron. Compounds of boron, first one that is borax, second one orthoboric acid, and third one that is diboron. These are the some compounds of boron. First one, let us study about the orthoboric acid. ಈ ಸಲ ಬೋರಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, therefore we starts with the orthoboric acid having the formula that is H3BO3, that is the formula of orthoboric acid, or else BOH thrice or trihydroxoborane. These are the two formula for orthoboric acids. First, it is a white crystalline solid. Orthoboric acid is occur as a white crystalline solid, and it is sparingly soluble in water, but it is highly soluble in hot water. Means this orthoboric acid is incomplete dissolution in water, but it will completely dissolve in the hot water. And preparation, orthoboric acid is prepared by the acidifying aqueous solution of borax. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬೋರಾಕ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ Na2B4O7. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬೋರಾಕ್ಸ್. When treat with the HCl along with small amount of water, it will gives sodium chloride along with the boron trihydroxide. Balance this equation 4, 2, 2, 5. This is the balanced equation. When borax is treated with the hydrochloric acid as well as small amount of water, it will liberate the sodium chloride as well as boron trioxide, that is called as orthoboric acid. Next is the action of heat. When boric acid on heating at 373 Kelvin temperature, it will form metaboric acid. Along with the H3O plus, means hydronium ion. When boric acid or orthoboric acid treated with the H2O and heat at the temperature of 373 Kelvin temperature, it will liberate the trihydroxoborate complex plus hydronium ion, which on further heating means BOH thrice or H3BO3, which on further heating it will form the metaboric acid, that is HBO2. This metaboric acid on further heating it will form the B2O3. This is the action of heat. When boric acid is treated with or heat with the 373 Kelvin temperature, it will form the metaboric acid with hydronium ion. Or when orthoboric acid BOH thrice treated with little amount of water and treated with heated with 373 Kelvin temperature, it will form the tetrahydroxoborate ion with the hydronium ion. When orthoboric acid again on further heating, it will form the metaboric acid, that is HBO2, which is on further heating it will form the B2O3, that is boric oxide. This is about the action of heat. Next is the use of boric acid or orthoboric acid, which is used for high resistant glass. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಭಾಳ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ಹೀಟ್ನ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಗ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಥೋಬೋರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಸೆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಆರ್ಥೋಬೋರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಐ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಥೋಬೋರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಥೋಬೋರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಬೋರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ it will form the network like structures. This dotted line represents the hydrogen bonds and this straight line represents the covalent bonds. This is about the structure of orthoboric acid.